Because Allah said in the Quran, those who are making the mischief on the earth, gawa ng magulo sa mundo. Ano yung parusa na sabi ng Allah sa Quran? Ay yukatalu aw yusallabu aw taqatu aydihim wa arjuluhum lil qabain aw yunfaw min al-ard. Those yung gawa ng mga masamang bagay, yung papatay ng tao o terorismo, patay ng inosente, gawa ng bomba o gawa ng masama sa tao. Ano parusa na sabi ng Allah? Death penalty. Number 1. Or yusallabu, or to crucify them, or to cut their limbs on the opposite sides, or to make them outcast, means to put in the jail. So those are the worst kind of human being. Terrorists, murderers, rapists. What should be the punishment of the rapist? The rapist, yan na making the facade. He's making facade. He go to some woman and he rape the woman. So why not? What should be the punishment for him? He should have a death penalty. There was a time like President Estrada, yung panahon ni President Estrada, ano yung punishment, yung parusa ng rapist? Death penalty. And that is according to Islam. Tama yung parusa yung panahon ni President Estrada na kung isang lalaki rape sa babae, ano yung parusa niya? Papatayin, death penalty. And that is correct. That's according to Quran. The rapist should have a death penalty. And then that is a debate in the Philippine government, in the Senate, and like Manny Pacquiao, he said also there should be death penalty. Death penalty is saving the lives of the people. Kung may isang masamang tao, kung alam niya, kung mamatay ako isang tao, mamatay ako din. Takot siya. Kung walang naparusa na yung death penalty, hindi na siya takot. Alam niya kung kahit mamatay ako, papunta ako sa kulong lang. So that is very good in the world right now. Right now there are many countries, they are eliminating the death penalty. And then that is meaning to say, they are protecting the criminals. Kung tanggalin nila na yung death penalty, yung mga tao, yung mga iba-ibang bansa, anong gusto nila para ma-protect na yung mga criminal? Bakit kailangan yung rapist hindi death penalty? Dapat yung rapist death penalty. Para ibang babae hindi na rape. Kung may, yung rapist yan, parang sakit yan. Kung may rape siya na yon, kung labas siya na yon sa kulong, mag-rape siya ulit. So bakit kailangan labas yan? Dapat yung may death penalty sa rapist para hindi na siya ulitin yung rape. Ano nangyari? Kung kayo, yung mga kapatid ninyo na kung rape, tapos maglabas ka mamaya, papunta sa ibang babae na rape din siya. So ano yung parusa ng rapist? Death penalty. Ano yung parusa ng mga terrorist? Death penalty. Ano yung parusa ng papatay ng tao? Death penalty. Because death penalty is a life. Allah said, the death penalty is a life for the human being. Because these are the criminal people. They are like cancer. Parang sila ng cancer. So pero meron sila na death penalty sa batas, sa bansa, para malinis yung society. So these are the very important reformations that we can always encourage in any country of the world. That there should be protection of the human life. There should be protection of the woman not to be raped. And there should be a protection for the children not to be abused. Like some religious people, they are raping their children. So what should be done with them? You give them that penalty so the children will be protected. So these are the diseased people who are raping the children. They're raping the girls. They're raping the small boys. They're raping the women. So these are the cancers. These people are like cancers. You need to eliminate them so children will be safe, women will be safe, and those who murder other people, they make terrorism. If you can give them that penalty, so other people will be safe living on this earth.